Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a 3D text effect in Corel Draw. So to get started, pick up the text tool and we'll use the word lemon. Alright, so I can increase the font size to about 100 points. Choose any font of your choice. I'm going to be making use of the geometric. Just one that is bold. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so you pick from the shadow tool, the second tool here. We have the contour. All right, you apply this contour, click and drag out. Okay, so just in case you do that and it's this other way, the contour has 3 different types. You have to the center, to the inside, and we have outside, so you know the one that your tool is on. So if you extend this, so this you can decide how many steps you want it to be, but for the sake of this tutorial I just want to have 1 step. Okay, now the contour offsets, you can choose to what extent it offsets to. I have another interesting feature on the contour, the corners. So when you click on this flyout, you have 3. You have the metered corner, rounded, and beveled corner. So we're going to be using the rounded corners. Okay, let's just increase the offset a little bit. Okay, so you can right click and break contour path when the text is selected. All right, so now I'll choose the lemon color and I'll change a lemon to white, the black color to white. So this is what we have. All right, so to take it further, I'll have to use the extrude tool. So pick the extrude tool and apply on this lemon. You just click and drag. Okay, so you see what we have. We have the extrude type, so we'll be using this 3rd one by your left. Okay, so you can adjust this a little bit to come close by. So you can see now I can't really tell the difference between this. I can just apply an outline so you can see how far this. Okay, so you can choose, adjust this to your choice. Okay, I think I'm fine with this. Okay, just the same way, you can right click and break the extrude apart. Ctrl K is a shortcut for that. If I bring this aside, so you can see this is the portion we have. So you ungroup or you press Ctrl U. Okay, now I want to weld all this together, so just click on the weld. So that makes them to be 1, 2. So you can now move this back to position. Okay, so now when moving this back to position, you see you might be struggling with where it came from. So to get it aligned properly, move your cursor around any of the edge. The moment it shows you the node, you click, hold down and drag, so you can see it snaps to the node. So that makes you have a perfect fit for that. Okay, so now just to give another shade of lemon, I'll just click on the color and I'll get a darker shade. Okay, so this is just fine. Now we can duplicate this again and use the ash color, or what we call gray. Okay, just the same way, click on the node and get it properly aligned. Hold shift and page down to send it to the back. Okay, I think this ash is a bit dark. I prefer lighter one. Okay, this is fine. So this is what we have here. Okay, Now we are going to, on this white portion, we want to apply the extrude effect on it again, just a little. Okay, still use this one, and I can adjust this to be very small. Can put an outline on this, so you just see how this turns out well. On the property bar, you can adjust this by moving any of this. Okay, so I choose to do it manually. Okay, so I just have a little, just a little. All right, so this is cool. Okay, so you right click on the extrude, or you press Ctrl K to break it apart. Okay, so if I move this, so you can see that. So just ungroup and weld. Okay, so now you can still copy with your eyedropper tool, eyedropper attribute, attribute eyedropper. You can just pick the same color and fill in for this. So just locate the node and move it up so we have a perfect match. So you can select all and take up the outline. So this is how to make a 3D text effect in Corel Draw. You can apply a normal drop shadow on this outer one. Okay, you can just apply light drop shadow on this one, just to give it that slight effect. So this is what we have here. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Do not fail to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when we post our next tutorial. Okay, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.